Hey everyone! Looking for the best budget coffee machine without sacrificing quality? You're in the right place. I've tested and researched the top affordable coffee makers that deliver rich flavor, sleek design, and smart features. Whether you're a tech lover or home barista, these picks will upgrade your coffee game without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other details. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest smart kitchen reviews. Number 1. Breville Barista Express Impress BES 876BSS. If you're serious about espresso but still on a budget, the Breville Barista Express Impress BES 876BSS is a standout choice. I love how it combines a built-in grinder with an assisted tamping system, making it incredibly beginner-friendly while still delivering cafe-quality shots. The intelligent dosing system ensures you get the perfect amount of coffee every time, reducing waste and guesswork. The machine heats up quickly thanks to its thermocoil system, and the pressure control helps extract balanced flavors from your beans. For tech lovers, the semi-automatic control offers a satisfying hands-on experience. Home cooks will appreciate how easily it integrates into their daily routine. While it may look premium, its value for money makes it one of the best budget espresso machines available today. If you want barista-level coffee at home without a steep learning curve, this is a fantastic pick. Number 2. Ninja Luxe Café Pro Coffee Maker. The Ninja Luxe Café Pro Coffee Maker is perfect if you want versatility without spending a fortune. What I really like about this machine is its ability to brew multiple styles, from classic coffee to rich espresso-style drinks. It's designed for convenience, making it ideal for busy mornings or quick caffeine fixes. This model comes with advanced brewing technology that ensures consistent flavor extraction every time. The sleek design fits beautifully into modern kitchens, appealing to tech lovers who value aesthetics and functionality. It also includes customizable brew strengths, so whether you prefer bold or mild coffee, you're covered. For home cooks, the simplicity is a big win. No complicated setup, just great coffee at the push of a button. Overall, the Ninja Luxe Café Pro stands out as a reliable, budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance or versatility. Number 3. DeLonghi La Specialista Arte Evo. The DeLonghi La Specialista Arte Evo is designed for those who want precision and control in your coffee-making process. I appreciate how this machine blends traditional espresso craftsmanship with modern convenience. It features a built-in grinder with multiple settings, allowing you to fine-tune your coffee just the way you like it. One of its standout features is the active temperature control, ensuring optimal extraction for different types of beans. The steam wand is excellent for creating silky microfoam, perfect for lattes and cappuccinos. Tech lovers will enjoy experimenting with different settings, while home cooks will appreciate the consistent results. Despite its premium feel, it's competitively priced, making it a strong contender in the budget category. If you're looking to elevate your home coffee experience without overspending, this machine offers a great balance of performance, design, and value. Number 4. SMEG EGF03 Espresso Machine with Grinder. If style matters as much as performance, the SMEG EGF03 Espresso Machine with Grinder is a dream come true. I love its retro-inspired design combined with modern technology. It's not just a coffee machine, it's a statement piece for your kitchen. This model includes a high-quality built-in grinder and multiple brewing options, giving you flexibility and control. The user interface is intuitive, making it easy for beginners while still offering enough customization for enthusiasts. Tech lovers will appreciate its precision controls and consistent performance. From a home cook's perspective, it's incredibly satisfying to use. Everything feels premium and well-built. Despite its stylish appearance, it delivers excellent espresso with rich crema and balanced flavor. If you want a budget-friendly espresso machine that looks as good as it performs, the SMEG EGF03 is definitely worth considering. Number 5. Breville Barista Touch Impress BES 881BSS. The Breville Barista Touch Impress BES 881BSS takes convenience to the next level with its touchscreen interface. I find this feature incredibly helpful, especially for beginners who want guided coffee making without sacrificing quality. It offers step-by-step instructions, making it easy to craft cafe-style drinks at home. This machine includes automatic milk texturing, which is perfect for creating lattes and cappuccinos effortlessly. The integrated grinder and smart dosing system ensure consistency, which tech lovers will appreciate. It's a great blend of automation and control. For home cooks, it simplifies the entire coffee-making process. No need for complicated techniques. While it feels like a high-end machine, it offers excellent value considering its features. If you want a smart, user-friendly coffee machine that delivers professional results, this is one of the best budget options available.
Number 6. Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker CM401. The Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker CM401 is one of the most versatile budget coffee machines I've used. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys a variety of coffee styles, from iced coffee to rich specialty brews. What makes it stand out is its ability to deliver multiple brew sizes and strengths with ease. It doesn't require pods, which saves money in the long run, a big plus for budget-conscious users. The fold-away frother is a nice touch, allowing you to create cafe-style drinks at home. Tech lovers will appreciate its smart brewing system, while home cooks will enjoy its simplicity and flexibility. The design is compact yet functional, fitting well into most kitchens. If you want a reliable, all-in-one coffee maker that offers great value and versatility, the Ninja CM401 is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Stay tuned for more top product picks and coffee gear guides.